Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can adjust notification bar icons. So at first you have to open your notification bar, go on the right side and click on the plus. And as you can see here, we can easily change position of the icons, so let's focus on this one for the first. If you want to get location right here, click, hold and then drag it. If you want to move, for example, the Do Not Disturb mode, from the second to the first list, just do the same. And if you want to get these icons, for example, you want to get focus mode on your list, click, hold. As you can see, I got a problem with my display, but I think we are going to make it somehow. Yeah, as you can see, that's how it looks. And if you want to save the settings, just click done, and as you can see, there it is. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.